Combining the panels on the facade can be done using a connector slat, a connector, but in the case of double folding panels, we can also make the connection, as it is colloquially called, with overlay. For this purpose, we need to make a cut both at the bottom and at the top of the panel. The same goes for the second panel. Then we assemble one panel on the other with overlap, leaving a 10 mm expansion gap in the middle. When making such a connection on another siding layer, keep a distance of 50 cm to the right or to the left. Sometimes it is necessary to connect finishing slats over their length. In the case of a J-trim slat, the connection can be made very easily. Cut off the unnecessary parts of the slat to make it possible to connect it with an appropriate J-trim profile by sliding it into the slat sleeve here. This way we ensure that the slat can expand over its length. In some buildings, it is necessary to connect the external corner over the length. To do this, make cuts in the slat sleeve, which make the connection possible. This way, we obtain an aesthetic-looking end result.